I'm Madhu.
And I'm Archana, and welcome to our channel, Just Us.
So friends, today we will be making Canam Coke.
Canam Coke? What is that?
It's a very popular street food in Thailand. So when we went to Thailand this summer, we went to this Thai village and they were serving these small tiny rice bowls. And when I got home, I tried it and they turned out to be really good.
So today we are making it. You're sharing the recipe with us?
Yes, I am. I'm going to call them crispy coconut custard balls. It's a 2-layer dish, so we will be making 2 batters for this.
Shall we start?
So friends, for this bottom layer, we are going to use 1 cup of rice flour. To it, I'm going to add a spoonful of whole wheat flour, and I have half bowl of coconut milk. I'm going to add some water because this batter is too thick. So this is the good consistency. This kind of consistency we need for the bottom layer. I'm going to make another batter for the top layer. For this, I'm going to take half bowl of coconut milk. To this, I'm going to add sugar. It's 1/4 cup of sugar, and I'm also going to add some coconut flakes to it and just mix everything together. So friends, both our batters are ready and we are just going to pour them into these pouring bowls so that it's easier for us to pour it into the pan. For making these bowls, we are going to use this pan. This pan is easily available online or even in the store.
Sure.
So we are going to heat up this pan. This pan does not have to be super hot, but it should be hot. And we are just going to put a little bit of oil. We'll just brush the oil in it. We are going to start with the bottom layer. We are only going to fill 3/4 of it with the bottom rice flour batter. I'm going to let it cook for a little bit, at least about a minute, and cover it. So this is the sugar and coconut milk and coconut flakes mixture, and we are going to fill in these molds now with this mixture. I'm going to cover it. So they look almost ready. Traditionally they use for the toppings corn, pumpkin or scallions, but I'm going to use different toppings. Instead of corn, all corn, I'm also going to use dry fruits and cherries. So I'll top some with cherries and I'll top some with cashews. You can use the toppings of your choice. And I'm going to check them. They should come out of this very easily. They are perfectly done. So friends, our custard bowls, coconut custard bowls are ready, and we are ready to plate them now.
Yeah, sure.
We are going to plate them on these banana leaves. That's how they serve it over there.
Try to make authentic.
Yes.
It looks good.
So friends, please try them. I hope you like them.
Let us know how you make out.
And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments down below.
We'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching.